జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.
ఓ కైకమ్మా, లిజన్ టు మీ. ఆత్మేయమితి రామస్య పాలయిష్యతి మేదినీం. సీతమ్మ ఈజ్ ద లైఫ్ ఆఫ్ రామ. Sitama is the soul of Rama. Until Rama comes back, on behalf of Rama, Sitama is the one who is going to be ruling this entire world, entire earth. Oh Kaikamma, if you still behave so stubborn, if Sita and Rama is going to go to forest, listen to me, we all will be following them. There will be nobody in this Ayodhya. Entire Ayodhya will be following Sita Rama. You will have to rule this kingdom where nobody is there, only some trees and some of small animals. Such kind of kingdom you will have to rule. It will be under your custody. Oh Kaikamma, I am challenging you. If Bharata is the son of Dasharatha, he would never ever accept this kingdom. I am challenging you. Oh Kaikamma, if Bharata is the son of Dasharatha Maharaju, for doing all these bad things, he would never ever consider regard you as his mother. I am challenging you. How much ever you do, oh Kaikamma, how many trials you do, how much ever you try, even if you jump from this earth to the sky, Bharata is not at all going to accept this kingdom. Bharata would never accept this kingdom because he knows the rules, he knows the protocols. The very, very important protocol in this kingdom, in this dynasty is, while the eldest son is alive, no way the youngest son can take this kingdom. He knows that. He would definitely respect those kind of acharas and traditions and protocols. Oh Kaikamma, you may be thinking that you are doing all this for the sake of, for the happiness of, for the joy of your son Bharata. You may be thinking that you are doing all this because you have so much love on Bharata. No, not at all. This is not the love. This, in other way, it is all going to hurt him so much. Oh Kaikamma, who is there on this earth would not like, would not love, would not follow Rama? Come on, show me. Loko hi loke hi sanavidyeta yo naramam anuvrataha. There is no one who would not like Rama on this earth. Not only humans, but also all the trees, all the animals, sentient and insentient, every being would definitely like, love Rama. Such is the Rama's character, such is the Rama's glory, such is the Rama's attribute. Oh Kaikamma, come on, give all the ornaments and all the silk cloths, beautiful cloths to Sitama. Sitama is not at all going to wear those Naravastras at all. Like this, Brahmarshi, Maharshi, Vasishtha Maharshi is getting mad, shouting at Kaikamma in front of everyone to protect Sitama. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.
As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.